Ever seen a plastic mold drawing and thought, where do I even start? In this video, I walk you through step-by-step reading and understanding of a real mold drawing so you never be confused. By end of this video, you will be able to read any mold drawing like a pro, even if you have never seen it before. Friends, welcome to YouTube Mold Tech. Those who have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe so you never miss an industrial insight, tips and tutorials. So friends, let's start our today's topic, how to read the mold drawing or how to read the plastic injection mold drawing. So before starting, we should understand what is a plastic mold drawing. Actually, the plastic mold drawing is a blueprint of making the injection mold tool that produce the plastic part. In it shows the part itself. The mold is a construction and all the details the machinists need to build. Okay friends. So friend, as you can see, this is an assembly drawing of a plastic injection mold. This is a two-plate mold. Okay friends. So friend, let's start our today's topic, how to read the plastic mold drawing. Okay. First step will be to start from the title block, because it will give all the information such like a part number, part name, material, scale, revision and all the quick reference of the tool version it is working with. Okay, you can find for this part and see the material is polycarbonate PC. Okay, the sinkage is 1.006, the number of cavity is 2, machine is 120 and above. Okay, and you can see the product number, product name, okay, and designed by date, okay, and drawn. Check and approval mostly done by handwriting and date. Okay, and this is the general tolerance, and this is the angle of projection, which is first angle projection or third angle projection. Both are using in the different companies, and this scale is 1:1. These are the very important topic you should check first before reading any injection mold drawing. There will be a revision also. Okay, revision column, date you can find on the top. This is the revision column, description, who has done and what date, if any revision comes. Okay. This is the first step of any injection mold drawing. The next step will be, friends, to identify the different views. Okay, you should identify different views. This is the top of moving half, and the second is top of fixed half. You know already there are two halves. First is fixed half and then another is moving half. Fixed half is with the injection unit. Okay, you should identify all the views in the drawing. Okay, and this is the section view. These are all the views. Okay, section VB view. This is the moving half. Okay, this is the fixed half. You can see this is the core and cavity insert, and this is the runner layout, and this is the slider. Okay, these are all the views. First we will see a plan view. Okay, I am going to take one small tool so that we can understand very easily, then we'll come to this one. And you can see this is the small tool, two plate mold, two cavity. Okay, so that we can understand very easily. Okay, we have to see the view. We have seen the title block already. We will see the different views. This is the moving half. Okay, this is the fixed half. The fixed half is connected with the injection unit. Okay, and this is the moving half. As you know, this is the top plate, this is the cavity plate, this is the guide pillar. Okay, and this is the cavity insert. Okay, this is the cavity insert, this is the cavity plate. Okay, the cavity plate gives the outer shape to the product, and the core will give inner shape to the product. This is the core plate, core inserts. Okay, and this is guide bush. Okay, this is the spacer. Okay, this is the ejector plate, ejector black plate, and the bottom plate. Okay, these are all the parts. You should understand the view in the views. This is the insert. Separately show the insert layout. This is the inserts. Okay, and we see the plan view. In the plan view you can see the section. Okay, we have done the section AA. You can see the line from here, it is going from the center of the mold, and from here it is cutted. Okay friends, and the B1 is from here and it is out from here. I hope you understand the section view. This is our moving half, this is our fixed half on the top. Okay, now we see the section view for AA. Okay, from where it is gone? It is gone from here. So you can see this is the register ring. It is for the alignment with the machine. Okay, and this is the screw bush. From here nozzle will attach, and the material will flow from here in the screw bush to the product. This will go through runner, then gate, and to finally the product. This is the cavity insert, this is the core insert, this is cavity plate, core plate. Okay, you can see the pillar, then the bush. Okay, as you know, the function of pillar in bush for alignment. Okay, this is the spacer. Okay, and this give the space for ejection. This is the back plate. Okay, and all the dimension are been given. And the section BB you can find here on the, this is the product from the center of the product. You can see the material will come from the bush, it will go through the runner, and then this is the gate. This is the front banana gate. From here the material will flow to the product. This is the ejector pins. You can see the ejector pins also. See, ejector plate and ejector back plate. Okay, this is the spring. Okay, I hope you understand the basic section view of a plastic injection mold drawing. Okay, this is the detail given for the banana gate. Okay, this is the product. So friend, this is the basic two plate mold assembly drawing. There will be a different insert drawing for our ejectors, inserts. Okay, core, cavity insert, there will be separate for machinists to see and make the tool. Now we will see the mold in 3D so you can understand it properly. So friend, you can see this is the 3D tool for the mold for which we are seeing the drafting assembly drawing. Okay, this is the tool. I will do the section also so you can understand. See, this is the tool for the this plastic mold. Okay friends, this is the screw bush. From here you can see the runner. This is the tool. This is the product. You can see the channels for our cooling channel also. This is the product. This is the runner also, you can see. I hope you understand. Okay, now we'll again go back to our drafting module. So friends, I hope you have understand this one. Okay, how to read the assembly drawing for plastic injection mold. We will go to that one, first one, so you can understand more properly. Okay friends. So friends, this was the earlier drawing that we are discussing. The top of the moving half. This is from the top of our moving half. Okay, you can see this is the runner. This is the runner. This is the grid. These are all the slider. This is from the our fixed half. Fixed half is attached to our injection unit side. Okay. Now we see the section view. Okay, for this one. This is our register ring. As you know, this is the screw bush from where the material flow from the injection unit to the runner. Okay, this is the channel. And the other channel is runner. Okay, and to the gate. This is the product. These are the ejector pins. You can see. This is the ejector pins. This is the cavity main insert. Okay. The cavity main insert is a steel block that form the actual shape of your part. The core shape is okay inside one and the cavity shape outside one. Friend, you can see the gate details also given here. This is the submarine gate. Okay, this show the plastic enter the cavity from the runner. Okay, this is the runner and this is the cavity. Okay, it is the channel between the runner and the part. This section specify gate size and entry angle on the crucial point also. Okay, next you will find the cooling channel. Okay, this it circulate the water in the mold to control the temperature. Okay, it affects the cycle time and dimension accuracy of the part. Okay, it mainly affects our part dimension and cycle time. Okay, it can reduce the cycle time, the quality of the part. So friend, to read mold drawing efficiently, follow the order: title block, part drawing, assembly views, insert, details, and then note. Work from the big picture drawing to the detailed one. Okay friend, if this helped you out understanding mold drawing better, hit like button, subscribe, and check out for other injection mold tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.